So now in case we copy this value and go to paste special, and now there is this option as link, this one, and click on it, we get 310. Great. But we put the cursor on this cell. In the formula bar, we can see that it has fixed the value of D3 cell in this. So in case we are changing this value to 4%, what will happen? This value will change to whatever value this D3 has. In case we are making it 3, this link is becoming as same as this. So what does as link does? So when we paste any values as link, so this cell gets connected to this particular cell. That's why it added the dollar, because now this cell is as same as this cell. So whatever value we will bring in this cell will automatically show that value. So this is the linking it creates, and this is called absolute reference.